Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out here working on the Honda CT125, listening to the dogs barking across the road over there. But check this out. Got a crossbar installed, and this is super simple. This is the brand. I'll post a link to the Amazon below where you can check one of these out. Super easy to install, and it's actually a good thing because it gives your bike, your handlebars strength, because without this crossbar in here, there's not much strength. If you lay it over on the side, either side, it can bend the bar in. This is just double the support. This thing is like solid. It's made out of aluminum and super. I didn't even show an install video. It's just too easy. I mean, there's nothing to it. You take these two split clamps, put them on either side, run the bolts through here. You take these two nuts here and loosen them. They're 17 millimeter, and then you just spin this until it runs out. Line your bolts up. You're good to go, and then tighten. Run it till it's tight, and then you tighten these two nuts down. And that thing ain't going nowhere. It is solid as a rock and looks good too. So it will give us some support and look good. And if a person wanted to, you could even put a crossbar pad on there, which is cool. So check it out. I will post a link to this below. Also post a link to this below. I put a USB and USB-C. I made the video of this install in my last video, but this little plug here so I can charge my cell phone and stuff. Easy to install, and there's already a spot for it right there. I hooked it directly to the battery. So there you go. Thank you guys for watching Woodsman Adventures. Subscribe down below, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Right on.